This next recipe is a maple walnut fudge. Now, fudge is normally made from butter, sugar, cream. So I'm not surprised if you are astounded that this recipe has none of those things in it. The first thing you'll need is half a cup of cashews, which have been soaked for a few hours. Now, I think I should just let you know that I've used the small bowl attachment on my food processor. I don't always want to make a massive amount of dessert, especially this recipe. It's so delicious. If I have a lot in the fridge, I'm going to eat it in one go. This only makes a small amount, but you can double the recipe. The key ingredient is coconut paste. You might know it as coconut butter. We need half a cup. Now, it seems to settle so the oil comes on top, but what I actually want is not the oil. Can you see the difference? Part of it's oil and part's this paste. I mean, a bit of the oil's fine, but the paste is where the real magic is at, because that's got the fudge consistency. How about that much? That's good. All right. Half a cup of coconut paste or coconut butter, and blend these two until they form a smooth, creamy paste. Scrape down the sides. Coconut paste is just the whole ground down coconut. So not to be confused with coconut oil. Coconut oil is clear, and you can see the solids resting in the bottom. That's more of the coconut paste. So it's that white, firm or hard paste. 2 more things to go. 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup. Make sure you use the kind that have vanilla seeds in there. We don't have to, but I just love that you can see little flecks of vanilla bean. And the sweetener I'm using is maple syrup. Make sure that you use pure maple syrup. Otherwise, those artificial ones are made with sugar. You still need to consider maple syrup if you're on a sugar-free diet, but this is only 10% fructose, so it's much less damaging to table sugar. So we'll just get that spinning again. Now, I said it was a small amount. This is the tin that we're using. Sometimes eating less is about making less. Just going to line this. Such a great color. It looks like butter and cream. If ever there was a need for a word such as food porn, I think this is it. Now, I know how good this tastes, and you're going to love this. This is a must make. To let it set, pop it in the fridge or freezer if you're in a hurry to eat this. And why wouldn't you be in a hurry to eat this? And the final thing I'm going to do is just garnish it with some walnuts. See, isn't that the most perfect sized tin? I actually love this recipe and make it so often that I went out and bought a tin specifically so I could just make a small amount. This is my walnut fudge tin. I've selected the best brainy looking walnuts that I could find. Stick them on top, slightly embed them. We'll place that in the freezer because I'm in a hurry to eat this.